Education and mentorship is really at the heart of HSS. Our residency program is one of the oldest in the country, ranked the #1 residency program for multiple years in a row.
We expect that we're going to be working with the future orthopedic surgeons in our specialty, and all of us have an investment in helping to educate that next generation.
It's not only training the new future leaders of orthopedics across the world and the country, but in many cases, it's training our future partners.
These 4 recipients exemplify to the highest level everything that's wonderful and good about HSS and the Education Institute.
There are faculty that you work with when you're a resident where decades later, you can still hear their voices when you're operating. And Dr. Della Valle is one of those.
He's an exquisite surgeon. He's very, very detail-oriented. His ability to translate that knowledge to the residents and the trainees is something that's going to have a huge impact on their careers.
Whether you're in the operating room or whether you're in a Wednesday morning didactic, he's going to make sure that he holds you to a high standard.
The Philip D. Wilson Teaching Award that's given out by the chief residents to an attending that they deem to be somebody who's had an outsized impact on their educational process is incredibly meaningful. It's a real testament to how he's interacted with them and how important his role has been in their lives and their careers.
If you asked every resident who walks in the door and completes their internship with us at HSS, 9 out of 9 of them would report Dr. Leali as the most trusted guide and mentor that they've had.
He's someone that you interact with really from the first day that you're in the hospital. Teaches you how to manage patients in the clinic, how to properly do the physical exam, how to do the basic surgical skills. Dr. Leali also shows us the importance of taking care of patients that come from all walks of life when we're on the CAC rotation in his ACC clinic.
The ACC has some of the most complex patients, so the ability for Alejandro to guide them through the management of the patients is really an important part of the educational process for them.
Alejandro is clearly the resident's biggest advocate. He has spent so many hours, not only mentoring, but being a friend, being a confidant. They're all good people. He makes them into better people.
The relationship that he's able to develop with the interns is maintained through the remainder of residency, and that he's been recognized by the 5th-year class with this award speaks volumes.
Dr. Dowdell may be one of the young faculty members, but he has really become a force among the residency education program.
His approach to patient care, both in the operating room and in the office, is a great representation of what a true surgeon relationship should be with their patients.
He's someone that gives us the opportunity not just to learn from him, but to really grow as surgeons ourselves in a way that's safe and that's beneficial to the patients. It's become one of the preeminent experiences on the spine service, and we really feel incredibly lucky to have him. And so it's no surprise that he was given the Young Attending Award this year.
Carol is one of our attendings over at Memorial Sloan Kettering, and having Carol there, who's the chief of the orthopedic department, teach our residents is really a great opportunity for them.
She teaches you how to really deal with not just the patient as a disease, but as an entire person.
Dr. Morris has an amazing combination of personal and professional qualities.
She's steadfast in her beliefs, but always open to having an academic discussion about issues. And she is dedicated herself to teaching residents and trainees really from all backgrounds.
That is inspirational to residents from all walks of life who see different way in which a leader can carry themselves that demonstrate a real care about every individual who is on that team, making them feel comfortable and valued. Seeing the youth of orthopedics inspires us. We see the wonder, we see the curiosity, we see the learning process and the development of skills.
Everybody who's in a professional role at one point was a student, and they know how important it was for them, and they want to be able to give back to the next generation. That's the mentality that we have here at HSS, and it's the mentality that's really embodied by these award recipients.